Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix cannot log into Facebook account. If you are experiencing difficulties logging into your Facebook account, there are several potential reasons and solutions. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection, either phone, Wi-Fi or cellular data. After that, update Facebook app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your phone. Check login credential. Double check your username, email or phone number and password. Ensure that caps lock is off and that you are entering the correct information. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the forget password or need help link on the login screen. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you are entering the correct authentication code. Check your authentication app or SMS message for the latest code. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Facebook. In app info of Facebook, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If all else fails, you can contact Facebook support for assistance. Visit the Facebook help center or use the help and support option within the app. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.